Hi, welcome to another Release0 tutorial. In this short demo, we are going to make private our previously public agent. Let's start by opening your agent in the Release0 Flow editor. Next, click on the agent name in the top left corner to access its configuration settings. In the Settings panel, find and click on the Password option. This opens a dialog box where you can set a password to restrict access. For this demo, we'll enter secret as the password. After setting the password, click Save and don't forget to publish or republish your agent so the changes go live. Now let's visit the agent's public URL. As you can see, the agent is now password protected. Users must enter the password before they can interact with it. Once the correct password is entered, the agent becomes accessible. Check back again for more tips on creating and managing your Release0 agents.